Hey there, I'm Steve Caldwell, co-founder and CTO of MCP.computer. So we'll start the tour here with the employee view. This person has installed the MCP.computer desktop client, and they've just signed in with their account. And now they have access to a handful of tools, company-specific plugins, and company skills. So we've just sideloaded the ChatGPT plugin for Gumbo internal AI. And you can see here, we've got a list of skills, and then in MCP.computer, we have our full skills catalog, which has thousands of curated official skills from across the web. We can import custom skills, so we can give access to certain people or groups. Let's pull in GStack. A lot of good, useful skills and scripts and things in here we can provide to our team. And we can see that 55 of those skills have been imported. And let's pick a couple to enable for the team. And let's go with office hours. That's always a good one. Now I sync my desktop app, and office hours pops right into the list and is now available to me in ChatGPT. We also can do custom company AI packages right from the dashboard, so you can customize what your employees see and give them the ability to install company branded plugins that come bundled with MCP servers and skills and prompts. And then those can connect up to the knowledge base, which is inspired by GBrain. In this case, we're just going to pull a simple note out of the knowledge base looking for the launch status of the Atlas project. What's cool about our knowledge base is that it actually has a built-in proposal system and then has a built-in review lifecycle for proposing knowledge. So we can see this in the dashboard. There's a review queue, so not just anyone can write to the company brain, but employees are able to propose knowledge, or their agents may propose a question that someone else on the team needs to answer before it becomes canonical knowledge. So in this case, what's the status of the current security review? And we'll say that the customer-facing summary is waiting to be approved, and we'll have that looked at again in 30 days. And if we go back to ChatGPT, the MCP computer server has access to that real-time information. We also have an AI model gateway with the ability to create tightly scoped API keys on an OpenAI compatible API. So in this case, we're creating one for the design engineering team, and they're using OpenCode. So an OpenCode will connect to MCP.computer as a provider, paste in this API key, which gives us access to a subset of aliased models, fast, low cost, and smart. We have over 2,800 models in the catalog that can come from over 150 providers. So in this case, we're pulling in GPT 5.6 from Bedrock on a special API key for the design team. And if I go back to the dashboard and revoke that key and then try to send some inference through OpenCode again, we're going to see that that will be shut down. So this gives us access controls at the human, at the team, at the agent level, very granular permissions. We also have a reports dashboard and the ability to build budgets by users, by teams, by agents. So nice little dashboard that you can get a glance high level of your AI costs. You can break those down by model, by API connection. You can also set budgets at the company level, at the team level, at the individual level. Get a snapshot of all of your tool activity, export that as a CSV, update your data retention settings. By default, you get company-wide guardrails in place, but you can set lower guardrails that would apply to specific models or specific departments. In this example, let's give the operations team $100 every month, and let's give Charvel $25 each month. Again, we can get super granular with how we set access to integrations, models, skills, knowledge, everything in the platform. That's a wrap for now. Check out mcp.computer and log into the demo account for more.